Looking for a budget-friendly printer that actually delivers in 2025? Whether you're printing school reports, business documents, or stunning photos at home, this list has you covered. From all-in-one ink tanks to compact photo printers, we've rounded up the best cheap printers that are big on features without burning a hole in your wallet. Let's dive in. Brother MFCJ 4335DWI Investment Tank All-in-One Printer. This all-in-one printer is a true workhorse for home offices. It features wireless connectivity, automatic duplex printing, and is compatible with Amazon Alexa for voice-controlled tasks. The standout feature is the Investment Tank system, offering up to 1 year of ink included in the box, meaning fewer refills and more savings. It prints fast, handles scanning and copying with ease, and is ideal for anyone who needs consistent, cost-effective output without compromising quality. Check out the description below for links. Canon MegaTank All-in-One Wireless Inkjet Printer. If you're looking to save on ink long-term, the Canon MegaTank is a winner. With its refillable ink tanks, you can print thousands of pages on a single fill, perfect for students or families with heavy print needs. It offers wireless printing, crisp color output, and reliable scanning and copying features. It's also compact, making it a great fit for tight spaces. Canon PIXMA TS7720 Wireless All-in-One Printer. The PIXMA TS7720 combines style and functionality in one compact unit. Designed for everyday printing tasks, it features wireless and mobile printing, auto document feeding, and borderless photo printing support. With its touchscreen interface, it's user-friendly and quick to set up, making it an excellent choice for students, home users, or anyone needing a versatile home printer. HP LaserJet M209d Monochrome Laser Printer. For fast black and white laser printing, the HP M209d excels with 20+ pages per minute speeds, automatic double-sided printing, and a USB connection cable included for reliable plug-and-play setup. While it doesn't support wireless, it's a budget-friendly and durable choice for document-heavy users, like professionals working from home who don't need color printing. Canon Selphy CP1500 Wireless Compact Photo Printer, a fantastic pick for photo lovers. The CP1500 prints borderless. Lab-quality 4x6-inch photos straight from your smartphone using Wi-Fi. Its compact design and built-in rechargeable battery make it great for on-the-go printing, perfect for parties, vacations, and creating photo albums. With customizable filters and frames via the app, it's more than just a photo printer. It's a creative tool. That wraps up our roundup of the best budget-friendly printers of 2025. Whether you're printing photos, homework, or work documents, there's a perfect match here without breaking the bank. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more tech tips and gadget guides. And hey, check the description below for updated pricing and direct Amazon links to grab yours today. Let us know your favorite pick in the comments.